This episode investigates how earthquakes spark secondary hazards, from tsunamis and landslides to ground liquefaction that alter cities. Recent data show that stricter building codes, retrofits, and early warning systems can dramatically cut casualties when quakes strike. The Fires segment examines urban wildfires fueled by drought, heat islands, and wind, highlighting ignition sources and evacuation dynamics. In floods, riverine surges, and overwhelmed drainage networks reveal vulnerabilities that disproportionately affect marginalized communities through displacement and health risks. Across real-world cases from diverse regions, the series connects physical science with policy, urban planning, and everyday resilience.